Find the remainder when 6 to the 1987 is divided by 37. So to solve this problem, one method is that we find the value of this large expression 6 to the 1987 by multiplying 6 as 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. How many times? 1987 times. And then divided this large product by 37 to find the remainder. But it is time consuming and very lengthy process. So we will solve it here with the help of modular arithmetic. So on solving this type of problem, we will always try to find out +1 or -1 remainder if possible. So now let's solve this problem. We know that six square is congruent to -1 mod 37, because if we divide 6 square or 36 by 37, we get -1 as a remainder. So we can write 6 to the 1987 as 6 to the 1987 is congruent to 6 times 6 to the 1986, which is congruent to 6 times 6 squared to the 993, which is congruent to 6 times -1 to the 993, because 6 square is congruent to -1 mod 37. So we can substitute the value of 6 square here. So it is -1. So 6 times -1 to the 993 is congruent to -6, because -1 to the 993 is -1 and -1 times 6 is -6. So -6 mod 37, because we are dividing this large expression by 37. So 6 to the 1987 is congruent to -6 mod 37, or 6 to the 1987 is congruent to 37 minus 6 mod 37, because we know that in general -1 mod k is congruent to k minus 1 mod k. So 6 to the 1987 is congruent to 31 mod 37. So the remainder when 6 to the 1987 is divided by 37 is 31. That is our required answer.